Good day everyone, welcome to another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. It is such a good day. It is 6:30 in the morning. Alright, rev matching. So kapag ikaw ay coming from a high speed run, mabilis-bilis yung speed mo, tapos you are approaching a corner, kinakailangan mong mag downshift to the appropriate gear. Okay, so gagamitin mo yung rev matching, kasi pag hindi mo yung ginamit, ang mangyayari, coming from high speed at ikaw ay nag downshift, quick downshifts, aakyat ang RPM at mararamdaman yung jerky movement or jerky sensation o yung kadyot. Now yung kadyot na yon, hindi yun maganda kasi nakaka-discourage lang kumpiyansa yun sa motor, nakakabawas ng confidence yan, riding confidence, because what we need to do is to make sure that we are always smooth sa riding natin. Okay, laging smooth, suabe yung ride natin. So imagine if you're coming from a high speed run, and pasensya na, hindi ko na matagalog. If you're coming from a high speed run and you're approaching a corner really fast, you want to maximize your speed, so you have to brake later, you have to slow down later, and then you have to make quick downshifts. If you don't rev match, jerky, makadyot yung downshifts. So yung pag-blip ng throttle or pag-rev match, kaya nga siya tinawag na rev or RPM matching, is ang gagawin natin. So ano yung rev matching at paano siya gawin? Ito, akit tayo ng skyway. So mangyayari, when I downshift, okay, kapag nagbawas na ako ng gear, downshift, after downshifting and before releasing the clutch, I will blip the throttle. O yun ha, yun yung steps kung paano mag rev match. After you downshift, before you release the clutch, you blip the throttle, tataas yung RPM, at pag nirelease mo na yung clutch, hindi mo mararamdaman yung jerking sensation. I-demo natin sa skyway. Rev match, wait, fourth gear, yun, wala yung jerky movement. Mukhang hindi natin pwedeng i-demo. Ang daming sasakyan. Let's go to 6th gear. Ayan, ito, magbabagal tayo. I'm gonna downshift to 5th and I am going to rev match. Wait lang, lapitan natin. Yan, 5th. Wala akong naramdamang kadyot or jerk. Let's downshift to 4th. Wait lang. Wala. Very smooth yung transition ng downshift. Ganda ng sikat ng araw, anak teteng. Ito yung dahilan kung ba't ako lumabas para mag-ride. Woo, yung sikat ng araw. Dapat sana magbibisikleta ako, pero sabi ko magmotor na lang para makapag skyway tayo. Clutchless shifting, 6th gear, we're facing the sun. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. That's the sun right there. rev matching without clutch. Clutchless shifting. Pasensya na. Here, we're on 6th gear. Approaching tayo dito na Ajax. Okay, let's approaching, braking, you know, walang ka jerk, walang ka jot, clutchless downshifts with rev matching. Okay, so ngayon naintindihan na natin ano ang rev matching, para saan ito ginagawa. Again, it's para maiwasan yung jerk o yung kajot during downshifts, para hindi masira yung stability ng motor o madiskaril yung kumpiyansa sa motor, para maging smooth yung transition to downshifts. Okay, yun yung reason. Naku, traffic mamaya pabalik. At i-demo natin kung paano ginagawa ang rev matching. Alright, so after you downshift, before you release the clutch, you blip the throttle para umangat yung RPM, and by that time you release the clutch, smooth na yung magiging transition into downshifts. Okay, paliwanag ko naman kung bakit. Alright, hindi ko na siya ginagawa. Actually, hindi ko na siya ginagawa sa normal ride. Eto, punta tayo dun sa reason, sa reasoning. Saan ba tayo dadaan? Makapagal. Alright, so ginagawa ang rev matching katulad nga ito. Yan, may approaching tayo na right corner. Kung hahatawin ko to and I want to maximize yung my speed and my time approaching this corner, I will brake late, slow down late. You know, nag-rev match tayo with clutchless downshifts, very smooth, walang kadzot. So ang gagawin ko is I will maximize yung speed, bibilisan ko. Tapos pagdating ko sa corner, magre-rev match downshifting ako para smooth yung transition to quick downshifts, mabibilis na downshifts, because I want to get into the corner appropriate speed without losing time. I want to get into the right gear quickly. So dun pa lang sa paliwanag na yon, marirealize na natin na ang downshifts with rev matching ay ginagamit for sporty riding. Sporty riding, racing, doon yun ginagawa. Diba yung paliwanag ko again, ha? Ulitin ko lang, coming from high speed, going into a corner, you want to maximize your speed, you want to maximize your time. Approaching the corner, you need to be in the right gear before the corner entry, so you quickly downshift, and to avoid yung jerk ng transmission, to be smooth, you have to rev match. Hindi ko na siya ginagawa kasi sa street riding, you don't really need to do that. Lahat ng yon, okay? Sa street riding, you don't need to approach the corner at high speed, okay? Sa street riding, you don't need to quickly downshift before you enter a corner. In street riding, you don't have to worry about being in the right gear in the less time before you enter the corner. Kasi sa street riding you are not riding versus time. Yun eh. Kaya na-imbento yung clutchless shifting, upshift and downshift. Kaya na-imbento ang rev matching, because you want to save time when approaching a corner. So sa street riding or public roads, so you don't actually need to. Ayan, ito, approaching tayo ng downhill toll booth. Okay, let's go to 6th. I'm on 6th gear. I'm doing 62. Okay, pababa na, di ba? Release the throttle. Front brakes. Also, I can use rear brakes nga pala. Combination. Slow down tayo. I'm still on 6th gear. I don't need to downshift. May momentum pa yung motor. Hindi yan mamamatayan. I'm not downshifting. I'm slowing down. Ngayon pala ako magda-downshift. 5th gear, no rev matching. 4th gear, no rev matching. 3rd gear, no rev matching. It's fine. Na-manage ko na yung speed, because I'm not going fast. Yes! Open sesame. Sana may napulot kayong kapaki-pakinabang. You ride safely, and para maging safe kayo sa riding, mag-ipon kayo ng knowledge, mag-practice kayo ng skills, and have the good attitude of a better, safer rider. KSA, knowledge, skills, and attitude. Alright, I will see you on another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride.